Hey guys, it is December 10th. It's 4 p.m. The market just closed, and I have three trades, or two and a half really, to go over today. Right, so first, SFIX. I had this from yesterday, and I sold it for a small gain. I sold it at, let's see, I went in yesterday at 11:58. So I went in yesterday. Let's go to the hourly. Yeah. Okay. So I went in yesterday there. Yeah. At the end of this candle. And I sold it today at 10:12, which is, yeah, at the beginning of this candle. Let's look at this on the 15-minute. All right. So I went in at here. And I got out 10:12. I got out here. Okay, so I went in here, I got out here, which is the shortly after the market open. Why? Because this had been going sideways, and it started to play a little bit with this level, and it just popped. It popped up, so I sold into strength, smaller gain. I did, let me see the 5-minute. Yeah, I started to see some retracement, so I just said, you know what, get me out of here. Why did I have that mindset? Well, because I had another trade that was really not working, um, or not working like I wanted it to. CHWY, let's see CHWY. CHWY was, if I had the stock instead of the options, I would keep it. But, right, so I went in yesterday at here. You know, when I saw this huge retracement, I was like, okay, here we go. And I got out today, well, hold on 1 second. Today at 3:24, which is there. Okay. Okay. So what CHWY did today was it did great. Today it performed well, but it didn't have the market on its side. The market, the SPY wanted to turn positive, but it had this resistance here, so it couldn't really go too far. And thus, without the SPY to push it, it just could never break this level convincingly anyway, right? Every time it did, it just crashed down. It did again, it just crashed down. Well, I'm saying crashed. No, it didn't crash. It just went back underneath, but it's not really going far. It's just hanging out right under this level, right? That's why I'm saying if I had the stock rather than the options, I would keep them. I would keep the stock because I like it. I like it on the hourly. Look at this. I mean, this was today. It opened strong. This is bullish. Then short sellers or profit taken or whatever came in. It tried again, came in again. Now, why? Because of the people that bought here, right? The people that bought here are just itching to sell for break even or a small loss, whatever, right? So until CHWY breaks this, this area, it's gonna have a hard time. It's gonna have sellers, right? Now, I do think it will break it, and it has high short float, which means that it can really run. But I don't want to. I don't want to take the time decay, guys. I mean, yes, the options don't expire until next Friday, so like 6 more days. But yeah, no, I mean, I'm gonna play it safe. And yeah, I took a huge loss. It was like, what, like 60%, was it? 62.79%, which is it's very big it's very big for my taste. My position, as always, was small, so whatever, win, lose, doesn't matter. But yeah, this pattern, it might play out, but not when I want it to. So it's not following my plan, so I just have to get out, right? The right move would have been to get out, without having to take this whole, slide, right? I was very slow here. It is what it is. And yeah, tomorrow this might pop up. Maybe it will. And if it does, it's gonna be on my scanner. I want in. I want in because I do think this has the potential to go up. But I'm not gonna hold my breath, I'm gonna take my loss, and if this pops up, I will look for an entry, and that's it. Right. Last but not least, JKS. Why do I like this one? I like this one because it is on the daily. Look, it's at the bottom of this channel, if you will. It has held this very well. Like every time it has touched it, it has held it very well. And it has momentum. It has, well, more than momentum, it has energy built up, right? Also look at this, guys. Look at this. Boom. It is holding this very well. If it doesn't hold it, if tomorrow this breaks, hey, small loss, right? But if it goes up, look, it has a lot of room to run, right? So the benefit to risk ratio is very good. I honestly haven't calculated it, but Jesus, I mean, I can lose like 2.5 more or less, and I can make like 20, right? So that's 10 to 1 pretty much. I like that. Okay, so yeah, that's gonna be it for today. I'm gonna go record my other video where I prove my trades. And yeah, so I will see you guys there. All right, cheers, thanks, bye.